How to get Doordash working promo code. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up any web browser you want. Now search for Doordash promo code. Now you can find the Doordash promo code in the Doordash website itself and the application of Doordash. However, if you want some more promo codes, you can find different reliable websites that you can click on and then get the promo codes that you want. For example, there is this website Time Magazine, which is time.com. Here you can find different promo codes. All you have to do is find the one which is best for you. Once you have found it, tap on more details to check out the offer details. Go through all the details, and if this coupon is best for you, tap on show coupon. Then you're going to find the coupon code here. Tap on the copy option. And now you can use this code while checking out in Doordash, or you can tap on view discount at Doordash to directly head over to Doordash website and then use this promo code. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.